Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I'm going to show you how to do these gold daisy nails. I did a design similar to this about 2 years ago, so it's not exactly original, but I really like how it turned out, and I hope you guys do too. So I'm starting off by applying a base coat to all my nails. And then I'm taking my favorite sheer polish ever, London Town Princess Awaits, and I'm painting that on all my nails. This is a milky white sheer polish with little specks of orangey gold glitter in it, and it's so pretty. I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this to all my nails. Once that base is dry, I'm taking a white nail polish, and on my ring and index finger I'm going to be creating little rows of small daisies. So I'm creating 5 white dots and then filling in the center, and then just doing these in rows down my nail. Once that's dry, I'm taking a gold glitter. This one is by Ice Cream Nails and it's called That's Rich. And I'm putting a little bit of the gold glitter in the center of all the daisies. Then on my other nails I wanted to add a little bit of that gold glitter accent, so I'm taking these single chevron nail vinyls. These are from a nail vinyl shop that isn't open anymore, but you can find them anywhere. And for my middle nail I'm placing 2 large ones on my nail and then a smaller one in the center. So once those vinyls are stuck securely down on my nail, I'm taking a makeup sponge and using tweezers to pull a tiny bit off so I can be really precise where I place the glitter. Then with that same gold glitter and my little bit of makeup sponge, I'm dabbing a little bit of the gold glitter inside the vinyls. And once there's enough glitter on there, I'm using tweezers to pull off the nail vinyls individually and before the polish is dry. I found that this is the best way to get the cleanest line with nail vinyls. Finally, I'm applying a layer of top coat to all my nails. If you want to see more pictures and information, then you can click here or the link in the description to read more on my blog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what video you want to see next.